beef stew. Prep your onions, celery, and carrots. Clean your stew meat and prep your potatoes as well. Season the meat with salt, pepper, and add a little cornstarch. Fry in batches and remove. Add in your onion, celery, and carrots along with some bay leaves and cinnamon stick. Let that sweat a little. Season with salt and pepper. Add white wine to deglaze, or red. I just didn't want to open a bottle of wine. Fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, tomato paste, about 1.5 tomatoes blended with a dash of water. Let the tomatoes cook through a little, then add 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. Add your meat back in. 2 cups of beef stock. Cover, reduce heat. And when that's done, smash your garlic, which I forgot to mention earlier. Test your beef, check your seasoning, remove anything that's not edible. Add a little bit of water when you add your potatoes and carrots. Cover, cook. Mix a little bit of slurry to thicken the gravy, fresh coriander, and bon appetit.